So guys, good day. um, I'm here to replace my headlight because the headlight does not work anymore. So I'm going to show you how to replace your headlight. This is a modified headlight. The stock Sniper 135 does not come with a LED, so it was halogen, so I changed the headlight with I don't know what that was called, an inverter I think. So I changed that here. So you will open the the cover of the motorcycle, and I am also going to fix the motorcycle horn because it is not working anymore. So the problem here is the headlight does not light, the low beam does not light on, but the high beam works. So I think the problem is the LED light. LED may be busted, and the LED may need some changing or replacement. So as you can see, so low beam does not work, but high beam works, you know. So if you can hear it, the fan is turned on, but the LED light is off. So I bought a pair of, or I bought a LED headlight. This is the same as the one on the motorcycle, so still available. What I will need is this one only. We will only replace this one. This voltage regulator, I think, is still functioning, and here it is. There is a built-in fan here, so the LED will not overheat when used. So the wirings, this is this is written in Chinese, and there's an English here. So the blue is the high beam, and the white is the low beam, and the ground is the green, and the red is, I don't know. There are only 3 cords here, so we will only use the blue, the white, and the green. So again, so let's open the motorcycle, the headlight, and the cowl, because the horns is located underneath this, and yeah, the horn does not work. So I just make this work. I'm hitting 2 birds with 1 stone, you know, fixing 2 broken parts. So let's begin. So we will now open the cowl. So we will now open the cowl. And here is the park light and the signal light. So we'll need to remove this so we can completely detach the cowl. Okay. So this one's here. These cords are old cords. This one's here. These cords are old cords used for HID headlight. So this is not used anymore. Here are the connections for the horns. This one here is the horn. I'm not sure why this is not working. So we'll be fixing this one. We'll also fix this one. So we will remove this one, guys. Let's see if I can trace the wires. As you can see, this is the old one. Still the same model, still the same brand. So figuring out, it will be relatively easy to change the headlight. I actually opened this one and I traced some of the unused wires that the horn is not using, so we'll try to disconnect all the wirings to easily identify or clean up the wirings inside. So we will just so I'm guessing the wire is, the green wire is loose, so I'm guessing this is the reason why the LED light is not lighting. Let's seems that the wire has been disconnected. If I'm guessing this right, the low beam will turn on, right? Let's go. I'll try to change the headlight. So guys, I was just done cleaning up the wires. Still not yet finished and arranged, but I'll try to route it better later. I just prioritize the LED light here. So here is the power input. It is connected here. This one is the ground wire. This one, this yellow is I think this is the high beam, and the white is the low beam. So we'll test this before returning the headlight. So it is working. High beam, here it is. High beam works. So I can conclude that the problem is the broken low beam, you know. So I think this my decision was right, that I had to replace the headlight. So I'm still figuring out the problem to the horn. This one has no function, so I am not that sure if this was part of the previous HID assembly that I installed few years ago, several years ago. So also this one, I think it is one of the main parts of the HID assembly, so I will probably remove this, but I have to make sure that all the connections, especially the auxiliary lights and what else, the parking light and the brake light, is working, you know. So for now I'll just pause the video and figure this one out. So guys, I'm just finished putting back the cowl, the headlight. This has a new headlight, so again we'll test the function of the headlight. I'm turning the bike on, and as you can see, park light is functioning. And then we have the low beam, and then the high beam, and then high beam. So if you can hear the sound, the fan is on, you know, to prevent overheating of the LED light. So project replacement is complete. Let's check the signal light functions. Turn light still functions. Okay, so replacement is complete. Bike is back to its normal functioning. although the horn, I think I'm gonna need to change the horn. It doesn't sound well. I think something's wrong. I checked the wirings, but it seems the wirings are well connected, but I think the horn needs replacement. So I'll go buy another new set of horns and replace it in the future. So again, thank you guys for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.